my bar. My name is Bluntz. Today, we're going to be making a cocktail that actually dates back to the late 1800s in New York. It's called the Tuxedo. But as always, we're going to throw a little twist on the drink. It actually used to be on the menu at my restaurant, and it's called the pantsuit. So sit back, relax, take some notes if you want to. Enjoy this episode of Mo Drinks. So to start, I'm going to prepare my glassware, and we're going to make this drink up today in a martini glass. So I'm going to toss a rock into the glass and fill this up with water. That'll get it chilled down. Next, I'm going to throw a rock into my shaker. Let it cool down. So today's base spirit is going to be gin. I'm going to be using my Dampwork gin today. We've talked about Dampwork on this series before. There's a distillery out of St. Louis Park, Minnesota. Wonderful, wonderful. This particular gin is very juniper forward. So I'm going to put an ounce and a half of Dampwork gin into my shaker here. I'm going to be counting to 6. Next, a traditional Tuxedo drink is going to use dry sherry. I don't have that in my bar, but I do have this Tattersall Sour Cherry, another wonderful Minneapolis distillery, and this sour cherry is very powerful stuff. I'm going to put in a half an ounce, which is going to be a 2 count. So, for the juicing part of this, I'm going to use some fresh lemon juice today, straight from the lemon, but first I'm going to prepare my garnish so I don't waste any food. So I'm just going to cut off a lemon peel for myself for later. Put that to the side. And I'm just going to cut this in half. And we're squeezing this whole dang lemon into our shaker here. So I got some fresh lemon in here, so I'm going to want to shake this super vigorously. And then we're going to finish with a dash of orange bitters from Bitter Cube. All right, let's give this a shot here. This looks pretty tasty. I see some pulp from the fresh lemon. That is actually remarkably refreshing. I can imagine it with sherry, but I think the Tattersall Sour Cherry spirit really brings out a lot more flavor from the citrus. And the orange bitters just floats on top very nicely. I highly recommend trying this at home or putting it on the menu at your bar. Thanks for joining me today. Hit like and subscribe if you